Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from dronesgeek.com, and let me tell you about an idea that the big companies haven't thought about yet. Amazon delivering goods with drones? Boring. Domino's delivering pizza with drones? Old stuff. Why not make the pizza itself into a drone?
A Spanish drone channel
called The Drones has made this idea into an actual thing, and you'll be surprised what actually happened. Think it worked? I recommend you check out the channel down in the description. Their video is all in Spanish though and pretty long, so I'll cover it quickly for you. First of all, they dressed up well, because everybody knows you can't build a proper pizza drone without dressing up like a cook first. And of course, besides pepperoni and tomatoes, you need some propellers and a LiPo battery. You first cut up the ingredients, then make the dough and of course cut it in a drone shape. This is how the final product looks. Delicious and fast, probably. If you look closely, they fix the motors down with screws put through the pizza itself. And of course, what good if you can't record anything? So let's also stick a GoPro session on it. Why not? The question is, will it start? The answer is yes, it did. The props spin, so let's go FPV. Just look how fast it went up in the air. And watch this GoPro footage. And down it goes at the first attempt of a flip. That definitely wasn't a good idea. I would have flown it for a little longer just to see how high it can go or how fast. But I was certainly amazed by this and really wanted to share with you guys. If you want to see my video with 7 drone photos before crash, click over here. I'll also show the original videos at the end. Please leave a comment down below if you have any ideas on what to build a drone from, or maybe let's meet up and have a drone race with pizzas. Can't wait to answer your comments, guys. See ya later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.